Hi everybody, it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com, Julie's Stamping Spot. I'm here today to give you some details about my virtual rubber rummage sale. Over the weekend I had my local sale. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you. So I've got all of my stuff. This is like 3 years worth of stamping stuff. Punch bundles, I have card kits, paper pumpkin kits, I have all kinds of stuff. Look at this. I don't even know when these were available, but I have a whole bunch. $1. I'm seriously needing to get rid of all this stuff. I've got framelits. So today I'm just going to show you really quick on the video, and my kiddos are going to help me photograph all of the stuff that I have available for sale, and then we are going to post in albums on this page. We are going to post all the things that I have for you to see. So everything will be posted. The sale, the chair's not for sale, Katie. We will post albums with pictures of all of the stamp sets, all the punches, everything that I have for sale. And look at this, we have stuff, stamp sets, $5. Like, I'm so ready to get rid of all this stuff. Okay, so albums tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Central Time is when I will be posting all of the albums, and it may take me a little while to post them. So if you don't see everything, look at this, $1. Yes, every stamp set in that box is $1. We have a $5 box. I've got leftover cardstock in retired colors. I have designer paper. This may be a little trickier to send, but we'll figure it out. And then I have ribbon and embellishments. Okay, so all kinds of stuff. Let me swim back around. 9:30 a.m. Central Time is when I'll have all of the albums posted. Like I said, it may take me a little while to load them all, so if you don't see everything right at 9:30, just be patient. And then once you see it in the albums, you're welcome to claim it. So I will figure shipping based on what you get. So if you get just a couple stamp sets, I can probably do first class shipping. We'll fill boxes for priority flat rate. We'll see the best way to ship the stuff that you want. So if you want something, just claim mine. We'll probably have pictures that have more than one stamp set. So say like mine left or mine right or sold, whatever. Sold mine, sold right, sold left. And then next month I'm having a birthday. I turned 40. And so I'm having a special. If you spend $40 on my virtual rubber rummage sale, then you can choose an item from the new catalog for 40% off. So tax and shipping is figured on the full amount, and then you get the discount. I'll PayPal invoices for everything. If you have shopped with me before and I have taken a personal check from you, I will take a personal check, but only if you've shopped with me and I know who you are. Otherwise, if you don't do PayPal, money order is fine, but I hold the stuff until I get the money order, and it has to be in the exact amount that we have agreed upon. So those are all the details. Tomorrow, which is Tuesday, I don't even know what, June 19th? June 19th. Tomorrow, Tuesday, June 19th, 9:30 a.m. Central Time. So whatever that is, if you're Eastern or Mountain, you'll have to figure that out. But that's when all the pictures will be posted. If you see something in the video that you like, feel free to comment, and if I stopped long enough for you to actually see what it was, and if it's something you want, comment on this video and I'll hold it for you. But otherwise, all the pictures will be posted tomorrow morning. So I look forward to showing you guys all these goodies, and hopefully you'll find some stuff that you love. All right, that's it for now. Catch you later. Bye.